Hi, this is Neil Kemp, the developer of ShaderMap, and this is an introduction to advanced map configuration with ShaderMap 2. You see the start screen here, and there's a little button to the bottom right called Advanced, and that will take us to the map setup. From here we can start by selecting a source map. Let's go ahead and select a normal map and click the arrow to add it to the project. And let's select our ferry normal map here and then accept our changes. Now we have a project with a single source map, and let's make sure we set up its coordinate system, and this is the correct coordinate system for the normal map. And we can go back into the advanced map setup by clicking the map button on the middle left of the application window. And from the normal map, let's generate a displacement map. So displacement from normal, and there it is. And it says a displacement map can be generated from a normal map. And we select it, and we can see its input is already on the only normal map in the scene or in the project. I'm going to accept it, and it renders the displacement map from the normal map. And there are a couple different methods here, the standard and the alternative version. So from this, we can go back in and quite possibly let's generate some ambient occlusion from the displacement. We just add that to the project, and we've see it's already selected the displacement map, and accept it. And let's go ahead and turn off the fast preview. And let's go ahead and increase the sample size a little bit. This will take a little bit longer to render, but will give us a higher quality result. You can drag any of the maps on the main map interface and change their inputs at any time. So if I wanted to create the displacement map from a different normal map, I could drag it onto a different normal map. And here we have the completed ambient occlusion map, and the quality is much higher. We can add other source images or source maps at the same time. We can select the source color texture and add one to the project, and we can organize this so it makes more logical sense, and then create a displacement map from the diffuse. And then let's create a normal map from the displacement. And it selected the displacement up top, but we'll move that down to the bottom and accept the changes. And let's increase the intensity of the normals. And there we are. Let's go ahead and blend the normal maps together by adding a blend normals map, aptly named, and it has already selected both the normal maps in the scene. And there we are. And it is using standard blend. Let's go ahead and use pure rotation, increase the intensity, and let's force it to stretch. And there we are. We can also make it tile, and this stretches it so that it fits on the X and Y coordinates, and we can just make it tile normally and then control its offset if desired. That's a brief introduction to how to set up advanced map configurations with ShaderMap. If you'd like to learn more, download the demo at shadermap.com and read the documentation included with the demo installation.